Alright, guys, today is the day. This morning, the Federal High Court in Abuja is opening its doors for what many are calling the most unpredictable hearing in the entire Nnamdi Kanu saga. And already, tension is rising like never before. Why? Because as of this morning, Nnamdi Kanu still has no defense team present in court. Last week, Justice Omotosho refusing Emmanuel Kanu, saying you are not a lawyer, has left a vacuum that nobody expected. And now the big question hanging over Abuja is simple but dangerous. Who will speak for Nnamdi Kanu today? Stay with me because what is about to unfold this morning may rewrite everything. Please kindly subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Right now, inside the High Court in Abuja, one seat is causing national panic. The defense seat, since the Mazi Nnamdi Kanu life sentence judgment, since the Sokoto transfer, Kanu's legal camp has collapsed pieces by pieces. If you could remember, Nnamdi Kanu sacked his defense team before the final judgment. His emergency representative, Emmanuel Kanu, was rejected by Justice James Omotosho. Legal aid has not stepped in. So no senior son has announced appearance yet, meaning as court resumes today, Kanu is entering a hearing without a voice, but his own voice. Officials are whispering that this is the first time a high-profile convict facing transfer motions will be appearing with nobody to speak on his behalf. Even the court staff reportedly said last night, "We don't know who is addressing the court in the morning." Remember, today's hearing is centered on Kanu, request to escape Sokoto prison. Emotion he filed insisting that he cannot prepare an appeal from inside the northern facility. He talked about his health as well, but the judge has insisted only a licensed lawyer can move that motion. Family members cannot. Journalists cannot. Activists cannot. Anyone without an NBA license cannot. So the motion is hanging in the air with no one to move it. So this means that unless someone appears in the next few minutes before the court sits, the judge may adjourn the case again or strike out the motion entirely or ask the prison authorities to bring Kanu in physically. So any of these three options will cause massive tension. Across Abuja this morning, pro-Kanu groups are already gathering in pockets. Yesterday, security at Sokoto prison confirmed that Igbo associations were blocked from visiting Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in prison. And today, many of those same groups are planning to show up near the court. Una know say they no go allow them come closer. Police trucks have reportedly been stationed around the area since early morning. So everyone is watching to see if Kanu appears physically or if he stays in Sokoto. Either way, the absence of a defense team guarantees that today will not be ordinary. Inside government circles, there is internal fear of public backlash if today's hearing collapses again. Sources inside the Ministry of Justice and prison authorities claim that the federal government is not comfortable with the global spotlight. The international groups have accused the court of breaches. The US-based organizations said procedures were violated. So lawyers said the conviction was based on a repeat law, meaning if today's session goes wrong, the federal government may appear even more vulnerable. This is why Abuja security is on red alert this morning. There are 4 possible dramatic outcomes this morning. 1, Kanu is brought to court physically. This will trigger massive attention and force the judge to address the absence of legal representation. Then, two, the judge postpones again. So this could lead to fresh outrage, especially from groups saying Kanu is being denied fair hearing. Then three, a surprise lawyer appears last minute. This has happened before. A son shows up minute before court sits, but as at this morning, no such appearance has been confirmed. Then court rules without a defense voice. So this is the most feared scenario. And legal experts warn it could deepen the crisis. As you are watching this video, the courtroom may already be filled up, journalists, security, families, court officials, but the most important seat remains empty. My people, today's hearing is not just a date on the calendar, it is a text of the Nigerian justice system. Because right now, the question standing like a mountain over today's proceedings is who will speak for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? And the next few hours, the entire country will find out. So guys, this is Prospect Channels TV. Drop your comments below the comment section. Share this video, I beg, make it go viral so that the world will know what is happening.